Boom, alright my friend, this one's going to be a really quick one, and really what we're going to be doing in this video is setting up our 2 accounts for the 2 tools that we're going to be using for our funnel builder and for email autoresponder. Now, like I've said before, these are the only 2 tools that we're going to need for the entire length of this program, this 10-day program that's going to teach you the concepts of internet marketing for any type of business model. So really, what I'm going to show you here is, if you go to, you can see we're in the members area now. You can see that it says step 1, and you're going to create your Clickfunnels account below. So you're going to make sure and click here and click that link, and you'll go to the Clickfunnels page. Now this is a different wee sign up page or whatever. Now you can see that it will say to create your free account now. Sign up takes less than 60 seconds. So, and you can type in your email address and make your password. Now you can see it says start my free 14-day trial. Now you're not even going to have to pay for this software for the entire length of the program. So the potential is that you can actually start to see results coming in before you actually have to pay any money for this software. Now step 2 is going to be creating your autoresponder account. Now you can go here and you can see in step 2 it'll say activate your ConvertKit account. So if you click here, you can set up a ConvertKit account, and it's going to be similar to the Clickfunnels account, where you can start a free account, make a free account, and you'll get full access to this software for, I think it might be 30 days before you actually have to start and pay for the use of the software, which is really inexpensive as well. So you can see up there it says try it. If you just click there and you just create your free account for both of the tools in this video, my friend, and in the next one we're going to show you how we get these 2 tools talking to each other, which is going to be really cool. So I'll see you in the next one.